All right, everyone. My background, oh, here she comes, is Basil cardstock. Oh, someone came outside. That's why it scared her off. Good. The quilt pattern is Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, number 21. The purple polka dot is from Dear Lizzie, It's All Good. And that purple pattern right there is Chamel Sparkle City. So I'm just going to evenly space them across the page, leaving the even amount of space on the edges. That purple polka dot, that is the back side to the floral print. Oh, yeah, they were leaving. Yeah, well, they need to mow their lawn. Their lawn is ridiculously long. Wow. And they have no reason not to mow with it being hot because they have a pool. So they can just jump in the pool to cool off.
We have a pool too.
Coco's pool. So I mowed, but I didn't get in Coco's pool. I just mowed half one day and half the other because it was too hot. All right, so this is a picture of Reese and I. This is when I lived alone. It was just me, Reese, Patton, and Coco. Sometimes I do. Mateo said that I miss it sometimes. And he's right, I do. But at the same time, buddy, I got bored being here all by myself. So, like when you were gone and Daddy was at work, I was like, oh my God, I'm so bored. I was going out of my mind. Yeah. I didn't know what to do. I wanted to cross stitch, but then that didn't keep my interest. I was like, nope, that's not what I want to do. Then I tried to scrapbook and be like, nope, that's not what I want to do. Yeah. All right, so the photo mats, that was let me see if I wrote it down. No, it was a scrapped from a past kit. And so here I wanted to try to go and find already stickers that I knew I have left over from past kits that I could use as my title. And so this is what I use. I use You're Awesome. And the stars as well are all from American Crafts High Five stickers. Are you good, Mateo? Let's see if he wants a bowl of ice cream. He did. He slept for about an hour. What was that about, Coco? Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. You full? Yeah, okay. Oh, look at that bird's like, hey, so this is our bird feeder now?
You got those out?
I need to move it.
Why did you take the bells off?
I didn't. This inside is the bell.
But there's bells outside too.
There was?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, we didn't pay attention to that. There wasn't a bell on there when I took it off. Because all I did was this. Maybe Patton did it. Because he was playing with it. But I don't remember seeing a bell on this one.
And what's this mark of flat?
Maybe we should have paid attention. You shouldn't have got the one in the front. I told you don't buy stuff from the front. You got to take off the first 3 or 4 and buy what's in the back. Maybe you picked the one that was in front, so someone messed with it and pulled the bell off, and we didn't pay attention to that.
I saw a wolf had bells.
Oh, they did? Well, then I don't know where it's at because I didn't do anything to it. And he was just batting it around. It didn't have a bell when I took it off. It didn't have a bell because I specifically went like this and it had nothing on it.
Maybe.
All right, sorry about that. All right, so my die cuts are Pink Paisley Horizon, and then the flower stickers and the phrase stickers are Hip Kit Club's This Beautiful Life, and then the chipboard stickers are American Crafts Horizon stickers. And then the other stickers that I use are Dear Lizzie. And then just the stickers that are the floral sticker and the phrase stickers are Hip Kit Club's This Beautiful Life. Otherwise, the other stickers are Dear Lizzie. And then the stars are going to be from past kits. And then the tassels that you see off to the right, I'm going to use 3 of those. And those are Pink Fresh Studio, the mix. What do you need, Coco? What's wrong with you? I need to get you your cranberry powder. So now I'm just going to put down my title. Which I normally don't do my titles this way. But do something out of my norm. Do something different.
So it might smell like
both of him
and Reese.
Alright.
Why is this squirrel not eating the corn anymore?
I don't know, because he's full.
Is there any more squirrels? Normally, yes. Where's Patton's tail? There! There it is. So Patton's happy right now. Mouse alert. Oh wow, nice Colorado.
Alright, so now I'm just attaching all my chipboard stickers, and I'm going to use liquid adhesive, even those are our stickers, because I have found that they come undone. And I have like 300 layouts. I have got to get binders and page protectors because I have no more binders in which I can fit any more layouts inside, so I have got to get one. I need to also get a shelf that will fit my scrapbooks so I can have them nicely displayed on a nice cubes and or in nice shelves. And then I also need to get binders so I can get all my layouts, because my stuff that I did not, my chipboard stickers that I didn't, and my thickers that I did not put glue on, I just used the adhesive that it came with. They are starting to fall off, and being they're not in a binder or page protectors, that's even worse. So once I get all these down, that is going to pretty much complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.